Alright. We can probably take the sander and clean that up.
Alright guys, there we are. We have fancy tools, so we use them. Obviously you don't have to if you don't have them. But I'm just going to go in there with a file and file that up a little bit to get the burrs off of it. And we'll be putting the radio in at this time. Alright guys, so I didn't like the way it was sitting in there. It wasn't pulling it tight enough for me. So there's a little nipple on there. And now it's gone. Now it lets it sit a lot closer. As you can see on this side, it's pretty much dead against it. For whatever reason, the instructions don't tell you to do that, but I like things to look factory or look clean. So just a little tidbit, knock that nipple off if it doesn't fit the way you want it to fit. Alright guys, so I spent like, I don't even know, way too long, 45 minutes or something, getting these mounts just right, so it would be just right showing out, so it was a nice clean look. So now you gotta snake all this stuff in here, because I didn't cut any of the wires down because I like to leave them long, so that way if I want to uninstall it and install it in something else, I don't have to add wires. Like I've had radios I've installed in 7 different cars because it was a Sony and it lasted forever. This is my first time trying out Bose, so we'll see what happens. But so yeah, just get it where you like it, and then you have to just put the screws back in to where the factory mounts are, and you'll be good to go. Alright guys, so that's how you put a double DIN in to where a factory Chrysler single DIN would have been. So you just snap the top in, and then just push it, and there you go guys. Alright guys, so here you can see the aftermarket Bose system compared to what the factory was. Like I said, we're going to be installing a aftermarket rear view camera, and I'm going to be installing a system at some point in time. Just cheap stuff. Like this radio was 50 bucks. The install stuff was like 30 or something like that. I have under $100 into what you're looking at right here with installation and everything. So obviously not tools, we already had those. But it can be done very cheaply because people out there think they need your stuff more than you need your stuff. So I've had that happen to me before, and I don't want to put a bunch of money into a stereo system and lose a bunch of money. So this is cheap stuff. We'll see how it works. I went with Boss components as well with a Boss amp. And then from my buddy Jared, who is no longer with us, I have a 15-inch MTX amp and sub. So that stuff will be going in here, and I'll get you when those come in. So thanks for watching guys. If this helped out, I hope it did, because I watched a whole bunch of these videos and they weren't very helpful, so I hope mine was. Click like, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one guys.